My friend, I've been feeding him this morning. It's a cake. Bit of rich tea biscuit he's had. Look at him. Or her, isn't it? It's a her, this one. So tame. Eating out my hand. Lovely when they come and see you on the boat. Yeah. Chatting to me now. Saying food, please. I had a nice 24 hours here at Roxon. Had a meal, bought a couple of bits, looked around the shops, went to Roy's of course, but time to move on again this morning. I might be heading for How Hill, I don't know yet. Whatever, the weather's nice and I'm going to enjoy it. Roxon Hotel over there, opposite. Now I'll start going upriver now. It's going up through Roxon now, or Hoverton, whatever they call it. It's you've got to keep to the right on the waterways. So it's the opposite side of the road when you're driving a car in England. Keep to the right all the time. Beautiful morning. I'm absolutely loving it. There we are, Swanee, out the way. I'm going to knock you out the way. Don't want to hurt you. Anyway, I filmed all this coming down, so no point in filming it going back, so I'm going to switch off the GoPro now. I'm going to find something else to film later on. Okay, I've just entered Roxon Broad now. I'm not going to spend any real time here, but it gives you some idea of the size of the Broad. That's why I've come in here to film it. It's a huge Broad, it really is. You get a lot of racing here weekends, sailing I'm talking about. A lot of yachts racing, all sorts. Nice steady breeze this morning. Sun's out, hot. The breeze is just to keep you a little bit cool. I've just popped in here to have a look and I'm turning around and coming out again. Look, I'm doing a 360 now to go out. Shows you the size of the Broad, or some of it. There we are. How about that? Right then, I've motored all the way up from Roxon in Horning, and now I'm going to enter Ranworth Broad. They've got a big wildlife place up here, the Norfolk Wildlife Trust. There's a yacht coming towards me, gonna miss him. Waving and shouting it. There it goes. Okay, I'll wait until I get up into the Broad itself. Won't be a lot to see up there, just a big open expanse of water. It's a beautiful day. Hot, sun is out. Just a tiny bit of a breeze to help to keep it just not getting too hot, if you know what I mean. But hey, I'm loving it. Okay, here we are. We're entering Ranworth Broad. Up the end there's a nice little cafe restaurant. and you can catch a little small ferry boat across to the Norfolk Wildlife Trust office and go for a nice walk through the woods there. I've done that a few times. I'm not expecting to moor up here because it's always very, very busy. But I'm hoping today I'm going to be lucky. So I'll find out in about another 5 or 10 minutes. Anyway, I'll turn the camera off again for now. Well, this is the moorings at Ranworth. As you can see, it's full. A guy that's waving me in. Very kind of him. There's a space for me up the end, so I've got to switch off. Right, it's been a scorcher of a day. I've had a fantastic time. Been a nice bit of breeze as well at times, just to keep the sweat off you, if you know what I mean. And I've come from Ranworth now to St. Benet's, and I'm going to moor up here for the rest of the day. And tomorrow I'll head for Salem and Heigham and so on. So here we are, I'm approaching St. Benet's, and I'm going to be pulling over on the left and trying to find a nice little moor in there and settle myself down and maybe fly the drone, take a few photographs, whatever. Love this place. This is Heigham. I don't know if I'm going to be lucky enough to moor up in here. I've never moored in here yet. But I thought I'd go in and have a look, because it's so pretty in here anyway, so it'd be nice to film it and see it all again. There's a yacht here running into a bit of trouble on the right, stuck against a bank. A lot of the wherries are kept up here in the winter. Got sheds, they keep them in. It's a beautiful spot, this. Glorious place. I love it here. Well, I've arrived at the beginning of Heigham here. This is where I picked the boat up from. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon now, roughly, and I've decided to come back here and spend my last night. Have a bite to eat at Heigham. Fly the drone later, hopefully, and finish off my week on the boat. It's been fantastic. That window behind here, got curtains and everything up in that one. Someone living there, or it's a holiday let or something. I think it's a holiday let, that one. Not sure. Now over here to the left, everyone takes pictures of this one. There's an idiot here, look. A real clown here, look. There's yachts coming up as well. You always get them. Again. 8:45 in the morning. got the place to myself. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it, eh? Sun is shining, it's warm. Well, it's hot rather. It's going to be hot. Now on the side of the riverbanks they got these little cutouts for people to do their fishing. They hire these little platforms for the day, I suppose, these fishermen. Don't go too close to him. Right, here I am, my last full day on the Broads on the boat this year, and I'm just leaving Womack Staithe, where I spent the night. Lovely spot, nice sunset last night. I've had porridge for breakfast, a cup of coffee, and like I say, last day this is. So I'm going to head down to Honing again. Pretty down there, and then make my way back to Heigham this evening and spend the night there, because I got to return the boat to James at Heigham in the morning. Well, this is one of the most photographed buildings, I suppose, on the Broads. There it is. Now the little one to the right, they say that came from the Helter Skelter from the fairground at Blackpool. See the little one there? So peaceful, so quiet. There's a shed with some of the weirs are kept in. There's one there now. Lovely place this. I doubt if I'll find a place to moor down the end. And there wasn't any room coming in on the right, so anyway, I'll just enjoy it for what it is. My engine's cut out once or twice. I think it's I haven't checked the filter for weed. I'm supposed to check it daily. I haven't checked it for a couple of days, so when I stop I'll do that. I'll get that sorted. These trees are magnificent. I love them. Weeping willows. Lots of them on the Broads. I mean, they always look so delightful. Yeah, lovely coming in here. GoPro, turn off.
And dashing around. So basically, kingfishers, if very high pitched squeak, like somebody's trod on a mouse. If they're squeaking, they're flying, and if they're flying, they're usually 10 inches above the water, doing a ridiculous speed. We do have the borrow.
Here's a nice property up here. It's got to be a nice one. The reason being, they got the black and white Cornish Colonel flag flying. Being a Cornish fan, I'm a bit patriotic, so nice to see the flag. I'm going to find a place to moor up here. Look at this one. Superb. Well looked after. I like all the flowers at the front as well. Oh, look at that. That's magnificent. There it is. Going up Camborne Hill, coming down. Going up Camborne Hill, coming down. I've sang that one a few times. Somebody's having a lot of work done there. Good old Cornish Colonel flag. There he is. This is nice coming up here. always a pleasure. Lovely way to round off my holiday on the boat. I don't know if I'll ever go on a boat again for a holiday at my age. But never say never, they say. Over to the left, that's Herbert Wood's boatyard. They've been in business many, many years. And we're coming towards the famous Heigham bridge that you can't get under with many boats in this day and age. All sorts of reasons, they say. They don't dredge the rivers anymore and so on. Everybody's got their own ideas about it. But I'm hoping to stay here. In fact, I can see a gap there now, so I'm going to switch off and hopefully moor up. Over to the left, that's Herbert Wood's boatyard. They've been in business many, many years. And we're coming towards the famous Heigham bridge that you can't get under with many boats in this day and age. All sorts of reasons, they say. They don't dredge the rivers anymore and so on. Everybody's got their own ideas about it. But I'm hoping to stay here. In fact, I can see a gap there now, so I'm going to switch off and hopefully moor up. This is lovely. I'm enjoying this. Last day of my holiday tomorrow on the Broads, on the boat. My last day on the boat tomorrow. I've had a fantastic time. How can you not enjoy this? Weeping willows. I've seen kingfishers, I've seen herons, I've seen curlews, I've seen oyster catchers, I've seen all sorts of birds. And people cover their boats and look after them, don't they? Look at that, isn't that lovely? There's a work boat here next door, so someone having something done, I suppose. Isn't that beautiful? They look after it, these people, look as well. Another nice one here. Garden's not so pretty here, but they've got some nice flower pots out. Oh, look at this lovely tree here on the corner. Isn't that gorgeous? And what a lovely property that is. That's their boat and that's their home. Good luck to them. Long may they enjoy it. I'm going down towards London Bridge again. Getting busy. A few boats around this morning, so I'm going to have to take it slow and let these others go through. Another one coming up now. 1, 2, 3 of them coming this way. Well, I'm going as well. Hell with it, same you. wait for me, pal. I gotta come through first. No problem. All done. There's my space there. So I'm going to turn around and face the other way, obviously. Okay, I'm switching off now. Hope you enjoyed the video so far. Someone got lots of stuff in their garden. Lovely old boat they got outside as well, look. Nice little properties here. Look at this one. I love this one with the balustrades around it, all painted white. Absolutely gorgeous. Very, very nice indeed. It's delightful. Swallow just swooped in front of the boat. Seen lots of swallows and some swifts. Seen 2 kingfishers.